Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 14C, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power button and from the boot options swipe up to turn off your phone. When the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. Once you see the Mi logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And this will then take us to the recovery mode. And here we only have a couple options: reboot, which takes us back to Android; wipe data, which is a factory reset of the device; and the connect with Mi Assistant, which is just connecting to a program. Anyway, I'm gonna confirm the first. Actually, before I do so, I'm gonna quickly mention that you can actually navigate through these using volume buttons, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that out of the way, I'm gonna confirm the reboot options, reboot to system, and like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.